really. And I just recently came from Japan, but I'm recurring customer of New Hair Image, and this is my third hair unit. And I'm really satisfied with the service they're providing, and the quality of the product is really just out of this world. So anyone who's looking for to get a hair replacement or hair a new patch for themselves, just contact Fizan Bhai at New Hair Image, and he'll provide you with everything you're looking for. He'll completely transform your personality, and as soon as you leave the their salon, you'll be a completely new person. You'll find yourself to be a completely new man. And this look, they gave me today, I'm just in awe of it, and I love it. I love it. And obviously, I've recommended, 2 to 3 persons already to New Hair Image, and in the coming years, I'll be recommending more people to New Hair Image, because they are, I guess they're the top of the chain in Lahore. So if you're in Lahore, or if you're outside of Lahore, and you're looking to get your hair fixed, I recommend all of you to visit Fazan Bhai. This is the perfect, it's better than, I guess it's better than Hair Club as well. So all of you who are looking to find suitable hairpiece for themselves, just visit New Hair Image. Thank you. They've styled my hairs, and you can see they've blended completely, and they look awesome, and they've quality, and the finishing they've done speaks for itself. I have no words. I'm really satisfied, and hopefully I'll be back for, as I told you, I'm living in Japan. uh, I'll have to go back in a couple of weeks. I'll be back for more hair unit in a day or two, and as soon as I get them, I'll record another video with new hair as well, and show you the new style I get. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.